Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and I struggle with avocados. I've tried making this recipe on 3 separate occasions now, and they were either way too ripe or not ripe enough. But thankfully I finally got some that are spot on. So today I'm going to cook up some guacamole. Let's dive in. Take out 3 avocados and slice them in half. Scoop out the green with a spoon and add them to a medium-sized bowl. Give it a good mash with a potato masher, but leave some of the chunkier pieces for some texture. Now finely dice up some Roma tomatoes and half a red onion. We'll also slice a fresh lime into wedges. Add the tomatoes and onion to the bowl and squeeze in the juice from our lime wedges. Lastly, add in some larger grain sea salt, garlic, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Now put a lid on the bowl and add it to the fridge for at least 1 hour. These flavors need some time to really get to know each other. It's been an hour, so let's grab some tortilla chips and plate this dish. Now this here is the perfect snack food. This is creamy, delicious, and most importantly, fresh. It is so delicious. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite recipes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
This is like the perfect avocado right now. I'm not used to this.